We got spicy ruffles and in Arizona. My mom's wearing hard pants. Okay, I'm home and I'm happy. Really, really cold, you know. Me and my mom are gonna mukbang Chinese food, which isn't like that fat. I don't know, it's the first meal of the day. Besides, I had a little bit of ruffles, but then we stopped eating them because we decided we were gonna mukbang together. So I'm gonna eat that. And that's my first meal of the day because I haven't eaten anything because I didn't eat lunch because I had to go take tests at lunch instead of eat. So I ate some of this. Where is it? And it was gross, so don't eat this. Bean looks so mad when I do this to her. Like she knows. Bean.
It's a whole game here.
One after another.
Jesus Christ. Right then, I see why people are taking issue with this. Gabby, unless I'm confusing this lyric explanation with Shrek Forever After, I don't believe I asked you to do the raw. For clarification, the dinosaurs went extinct 65 million years ago. You don't need to practice their native tongue. Gabby, Gabby, Gabby. I was gonna go nice on you, but you made me look like a right tit. The thing is, right, she could stick a microphone up her ass, let out a wet fart, and with this audio quality, you'd think Adele was on the fucking mic. The song she was apparently trying to sing was her single Out Loud. So because she won't let me hear the honest version, let's try out the auto-tuned one.
So taste your presence.
I still taste your presence.
It's 5:10. I have a 2-minute vlog. I don't know what to do. Like I have things to do, but I don't want to do them. I have homework, I think. Let me think. Don't have math homework. I could do some of the documents for my final thing, but I mean I got it done pretty quick in class, so. Don't have homework for Spanish. 3rd and 4th. Crap. I do have a project for art, but I don't understand it, so I need to ask somebody or a teacher or something. I don't know. When I figure it out, I'll talk to you. Or I might not ever figure it out, and I might not work out, and I might not do anything, and just end up doing nothing. It's 5:39. I'm still sitting here. So yeah, I don't have homework. I checked. You know, it's really hard to vlog when you're not interesting. And like, not all of my vlogs can be me working out. Like, I could totally work out right now, but I don't need to vlog it. Like, I could enter like a minute, but that's it. I don't need to enter like 10 minutes of it. So like, me, the uninteresting girl who has to be in bed by 9, kind of makes me mad, but whatever. Yeah, I don't know. I just kind of want to like go to sleep and then wake up and everything be okay. But it's not like that, you know what I mean? This is amazing. I cannot. This isn't in focus. I decided to work out at all. So I don't think I'm going to because no, I should though. This is the stupidest vlog of my entire life. Okay, so my mom gave me the idea to show you guys all the stuff I use for my skin because you've been wondering what I use and like how I got my skin's clear, like it's clearer. This is the best Arizona of my entire existence, but it's the micellar cleaning water, and this works really good to take off your makeup. We recently just got this one and it works miracles. It's amazing, like, oh my gosh. And then I use this to moisturize. And then these two face washes are the worst face washes for my face. I broke out so bad with both of these when we ran out of the face wash. I also use like it's another Neutrogena one, but Neutrogena just works for my skin. Anything else just kind of breaks me out like really bad. Okay, so this one is the worst one of them all. It's the Equate Blackhead Clearing Scrub. It broke me out so bad. That's what like some of these scars are, and like all this right here is from that because I used it for like a good week because we ran out of face wash. This one, clearly you can tell it is barely used. My mom broke out, and she doesn't break out very bad. Like, she barely ever has anything on her face. And so, let me put this on repeat. And so this one broke us out so bad. I don't know if it's our skin, but it's the byeeee baking soda one, and it's just, it ruined me. Like, so bad. Like, I don't, it was probably the worst my face has ever been. This is the face mask I use. This stuff will literally rock your world. It is done miracles. Like whenever I'm breaking out, I'm just like, gotta do a face mask. I think I'm gonna do a face mask tonight. My laptop's tired. I think I'm just gonna cry and listen to music for a bit after this. Okay, so I use the Indian Healing Clay face mask. You put apple cider with this. You could use water, but with apple cider it's way more effective. It suds up, and like you can literally feel your face like doing that. All the stuff. Don't recommend these two. Recommend all this and this for when you're breaking out, because so many people have been asking like, how do you get your face so clear? Your face is so clear, like, you know, telling me that it's clear and stuff. But yeah, that is everything I use, and it has been working for me clearly. Don't mind my big forehead and this horrible lighting, but to like get like texture off your face, because I currently have lots of texture on my forehead especially, you can use like a Clarisonic or some type of brush like that to get it off. Just every now and then. Don't do it every day because then you will break out. When I was in 7th grade, I used to use the Clarisonic every single day, and I broke out really bad because that brings out all the dirt in your skin. And you don't have to get this exact moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer. We have many. I just really like the smell of that one, and it works good. And I have really dry skin, so yeah. I just finished editing, and it is 7 minutes. My stuff is still there. It's 7 minutes long. I think I'm just gonna leave it. I think I'm just gonna do this outro and end the vlog. I enjoyed this really boring vlog. They're getting boringer and boringer as they go on. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. That was really, really stupid.